In this video, let's talk about the Tesla wheel spacers, good or bad.
Installing Tesla Model Y wheel spacers is a great way to fix one of set rubbing problems. They're installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you are less limited to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are helpful in preventing longer rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. There are performance benefits to upgrading with Tesla Model Y wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. Increased stability means better rollover resistance when driving in the worst conditions, which reduces risk. What's better? By spacing the wheels out from the suspension, the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers provide a sporty and aggressive stance. Most people will agree that their Tesla Model Y looks better when the wheel gap is reduced. BONOSS Forged FT Cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any type of 4x4 event. These wheel spacers have a high strain requirement. In addition, BONOSS FT Cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which greatly increase the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. To ensure a strong wheel spacer hub connection, BONOSS Forged FT Cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers feature ISO grade 1209 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TV certification report. In addition, BONOSS Forged FT Cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty. Customers' peace of mind. Such BONOSS Forged FT Cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.
If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. That's for Chan. Have a great day!